Good always wins over evil. We have all heard it. But have you ever wondered why it is so? Let us understand from the story of Lord Rama. Rama hardly had any resources or support while in exile when Mother Sita was kidnapped and separated from him. While he was looking for Mother Sita, many people approached Lord Rama for help. He magnanimously accepted their requests and did everything to help them. Whether it was honoring Shabari by fulfilling her lifelong wish or supporting Sugriva to regain his kingdom, Lord Rama never refused anyone. Lord Rama exemplified ideal characteristics of a leader and upheld the principles of Dharma, even if he had to make personal sacrifices for it. Ravana, on the other hand, had no regard for Dharma. He ruled through oppression, driven by greed and lust. To Ravana, his own enjoyment was most important, even if it meant doing wrongful deeds like usurping others' property, harassing saintly people, kidnapping others' wives, or killing people for self-interest. But this very arrogance of Ravana led to his downfall. Though he was advised by many to return Mother Sita and surrender to Rama, his false pride and ego clouded his intelligence. Despite being learned, Ravana couldn't look past the evil of his own greed and lust, causing the destruction of Lanka. VijayaDashami celebrates the victory of compassion, sacrifice and dharma over pride, greed and lust. It reminds us that good qualities, cultured by following dharma, will eventually bring victory, while being unrighteous only fosters evil in the heart and leads one onto the path of self-destruction. Rama's victory wasn't just a battle, it was the triumph of righteousness. How do you celebrate the victory of good over evil? Comment below and share how you honor righteousness this VijayaDashami. Hare Krishna.